Hi everyone, welcome to the Marty South YouTube channel. In this video today I'm going to be demonstrating how to use the platform to build a website for your Korean restaurants. Now if you've just randomly stumbled across this video and you aren't quite familiar with the Marty South service yet, Marty South is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own websites in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So all you need to do is click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. So once you've joined the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your market over here at the top. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with side hustles. So I'm going to head to the top and I'm going to search for my market, Korean restaurants, and there it is over there. I'm now going to select that template. Great, let's tell Marty Sats a few basic details about our Korean restaurant so I can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name, as well as my city and my state or region. Now, it doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can use the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. I'm going to leave the type of business template as restaurants and click on continue. Awesome. How can our customers get in touch with us? I'm going to go ahead and pop in my phone number as well as my email address. And I'm now going to go ahead and click on continue. Awesome. Where is my Korean restaurant located? Let's pop our street address in over here, as well as our postal code, and move along. Let's get our hours set up. What time do we open on a Monday? Assuming we open for lunch and dinner, I'm going to say we open from 10:30 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. We also open on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and a Sunday. We open 7 days a week. Let's do a quick review and make sure everything is in order. If you need to make any changes, all you need to do is click on update location or update hours. But everything looks pretty good to me, so I'm going to go ahead and move along. Awesome. Look at that. Marty's House has literally generated a simple website for my Korean restaurants in less than a minute. Let's take a closer look. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you, as you can see, just as a guideline, of course, and we've pre-selected all the images. They're all really high quality, as you can see, really beautiful visually images. However, if you've got your own images of the delicious Korean meals you're serving up, and you want to make one or two amendments to that content that's pre-written for you, you can absolutely do that. You don't need to know any coding. You don't need to be a web developer, and you certainly don't need to hire a web developer either. It's super simple. So today I'm going to be walking you through each section from the top to the bottom, making my way through so you can see just how easy it is to use Marty Sites. So let's get cracking. I'm now going to hit the update section at the top, and the first thing I want to do is click on show email and site. So my email address is displayed in the top right hand corner of my Marty Sites website next to my phone number, which is click to call, by the way. We've already put in our street address, physical location, and it's displayed in the top left hand corner. And the great thing about it is when our customers click on it, it will automatically take us to Google Maps. Let's make sure that's saved and head to update social links. Now, over here, you can put in the various social media platforms that your Korean restaurant is active on. The icons will be displayed in the top right hand corner next to that email address. There is also an option for LinkedIn, YouTube, and Facebook as well. Let's move along. We're making such great progress. I'm now going to hit update logo. Now, if you're in the startup process of your Korean restaurant and you don't have a logo yet, that's completely okay. Mighty Sites will literally just display your name here and it still looks really great. However, I do have a logo, so I'm going to go ahead and browse my device and I'm going to upload it. Now, if you don't have a logo yet and you really want one, but you don't have a huge budget for a logo, I do recommend that you check out canva.com. There are some great free options on there. The logo has been updated. We can make it bigger and smaller. Let's check it out. So I'm going to go ahead and save it and move along. Now with Mighty Sites, we've also pre-selected the colors used throughout the website as well. We wanted to basically make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a website for your Korean restaurants. However, on your signage throughout your restaurants, on your logo, on your business cards, everything else. Maybe you've got a completely different color to this one, although I think it's pretty neutral that's been used throughout this website. You don't need to know color coding to change it. All you need to do is click on this handy little paint bucket over here and go through the various different color palettes available to you. So I'm going to go ahead and look at that one. That looks pretty suitable. So I'm going to go ahead and save it. Awesome. I'm now going to head to update section and head over to update image. Now, if you have your own images, you can browse your device and upload it. Otherwise, search through the photo library. There are hundreds to choose from, and Mighty Sites will automatically search for Korean restaurants. However, I do recommend that you play around with the terms a little bit and just see what works best for you and what images pop up. So I searched for Korean barbecue, which I know is quite popular. So I'm going to go ahead and upload this one. That looks really delicious. Select my photo, save my image selection. And as you can see, it's now been updated and it looks really great. I'm now going to head over to update content. You can change the title and subtitle, which is this section over here, to suit your needs. Button, perhaps you don't offer an online ordering system, so I'm going to go ahead and change this to view our menu and choose my link. Now we can link to another website like a third party for online ordering, as I mentioned, an action like click to call, directions, or click to email, or upload a PDF file, which I'm going to do absolutely that. I'm going to go ahead and upload my Mighty menu. So when my customers come to my website, they can easily view my menu and pre-select the items they want. I know I'm not the only person that does that before I go to a restaurant. Great. So when our customers click on this button, they can now automatically go to that PDF format menu and check out our delicious meals. Let's move along. If you need to make any amendments to those hours, trading hours, physical location, go ahead and click on update section and work your magic. Over here, another great spot for a high quality image. Head to update section, choose one from the photo library or upload one of your own delicious meals. Over here, again, pre-written content for you as a guideline. Of course, if you need to make any changes, all you need to do is click on update section. Button can be amended, doesn't need to say view our menu, can say something like get in touch or get directions or order online if you offer that option. We've now made our way into the About Us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how your Korean restaurant came to be, how you got into the industry, who the chef is serving up the meals, if it's you, what your background is, do you use authentic Korean barbecue techniques, cooking over charcoal or gas grills. Go ahead and put as much details here as possible. Your customers would love to hear your story. So look at that. We've literally gone through our website for our Korean restaurant, launched it, made some changes in less than 10 minutes. It was such a breeze. I didn't need to know any coding. I didn't need to get anyone or hire anyone to help me with this process. It really was so simple. Remember, it's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card needed, like most other online services. So, all you need to do is click on the link below this video and give it a go. See how well it works for you and your small business. Now, if you have a custom domain, go ahead and click on connect your domain and go through the various steps available by clicking on I already have a domain. If you're struggling, there is a step-by-step tutorial over on our blog at www.mightysauce.com. Click on blog. You'll also find some great tips and advice for marketing your small business online. So do check it out. If you don't have a custom domain yet, we're really excited to let you know you can now purchase your domain through the Mighty Sites platform. It's really exciting. We've just introduced the feature. So go ahead and purchase your domain through the Mighty Sites platform if you want one. I really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your Korean restaurants. I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any suggestions, any features or concerns, anything you'd like to see in future on the Mighty Sites platform, or if you need any assistance, do comment below and let us know. We'd really love to hear your feedback.